Welcome to Evision. Awarded by Wipro and IBM. 3,700 plus freshers got job in 200 plus IT MNCs company. With 100% job guarantee.
Hey everyone, I am Sachin Biradar. I have done my graduation in civil engineering from Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru in the year 2022. After graduation, I have not getting job. Then I decided to join Evision. Through Evision, I have done my course in CCNA, virtualization, ITIL, Windows Server, Windows Administration. After the course, I have started getting calls from IT companies. Through that, I have placed in a BlackBuck company as a IT support. I want to thank Satyam ma'am, Mrs. Satyam ma'am and Priya ma'am for this success. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.